you're a Disney fan who needs a break from the parks and the heat, Blizzard Beach might be perfect for you. This water park is what happens when Disney mixes snow, slides and sunshine, and somehow it just works. The theming is beautiful, from snow-covered rooftops to ski lift chairs. You really feel like you've stepped into a tropical snow day. Our favourite part is the lazy river because everyone in your party can enjoy it. They have complimentary tubes and life jackets for the little ones so that you feel safe when they're in the water. There's also a designated toddler area with small slides, a sand play zone and splash pads. And if you're feeling brave, there's Summit Plummet, a 12-story, almost straight down water slide that's not for the faint of heart. Unfortunately, we wouldn't recommend any of the food and snacks we tried. But if you want to do something different at Disney, this just may be worth it. Let us know in the comments if you would add this water park to your Disney bucket list.
Snowballs big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, coal for the eyes. Hat and scarf, he's just the right size. Oh, snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Snow angels spread like so much joy. Winter games for every girl and boy. Hot cocoa after warm and sweet. Winter days can't be beat. Snow fun all day long. Building snowmen, singing our song. Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Snow fun.